Why you such a bad boy? Huh? You crazy doggy. It's another rainy day. I was going stir crazy in the house. I decided to go stop at this organic grocery store. I totally just did boredom shopping right now. I don't do that anymore really ever, but I do want lotion in my car. So I thought, okay, I'll go to the store and see if I see any lotion. It was innocent, but I ended up buying 3. I got this Buddha butter. It is an all-in-one pure daily moisturizer. So this tin will stay in my car. It'll be for my hands. I actually used this a few weeks ago at a Reiki training that I was at, and I really liked it. So went back and forth on buying this one for like 15 minutes, entertaining myself. This smells like tanning oil, kind of. It's just a coconut smell, which I always like that smell. Mono Tiki Tahiti, 100% made in Tahiti, coconut. That'll go in the house. Okay, and then I found this cute little salve. It says Nanax Skin Repair, all natural. It says you can use it on your lips. Cute little package. This will go in my purse, I guess. No, I'll put this in my bathroom. Okay, that's my updates. I'm so bored. $94.15. I should not need to go grocery shopping again this week. This should keep me completely fed, eating all of my meals at home. Breakfast sausage, pork chops, that's a couple of servings. The salmon is a couple of servings. Fruit. I've also got a salad, so that'll take care of lunch one day. These are like little things that I can add into breakfast. Dip as fat. Veggies. I'd say I have like 14 servings of veggies. It's a good start. Full packed veggie crisper box. Kitchen looks very romantic from this angle. I'm making this chicken soup and some spinach. What I do, I take the kettle cooked chicken soup from Trader Joe's, and then I add red pepper flakes, parsley, and curry powder, a little bit of salt. It's delicious. When I'm sauteing my spinach, I'll do a squeeze of lemon. I'm gonna add some garlic to it. Spinach with garlic, spicy. It's a pretty healthy lunch. I'm liking the ends of these pants. They're soft and flowy. My place is starting to come together. It's such a process because first I did the big decluttering. If you go back and watch my old videos, I've probably gotten rid of 70% of the things that were overwhelming me in my apartment. And then it was a matter of organizing, which I feel like I'm not quite done, but I'm liking the vibes. I definitely need art on the walls. Just little by little, things are coming together. I want it to be cozy, minimalist, luxury, Parisian aesthetic. And there's definitely a difference between being messy and having clutter. I'm a creative person. I'm okay with thriving in chaos, but having things that I don't use and things that I don't love around me, that was making me feel a lot of anxiety. So getting rid and clearing out all of that stuff has made such a huge difference in my life. And it does make it easier to keep my home tidy, but I can definitely make a mess because I have things in my home that I love and that I use. I take them out and I don't put them back, and I know you're supposed to put them back. That's why I do my daily tidy routines when I do them. It's a good thing. These are my new sheets. I made my bed like a hotel. I reached out to Brooklinen and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Brooklinen is a luxury sheets company. They create high quality home goods to elevate your home. It's so comfy. It's so cozy. I'm upgrading my whole bedroom and sleep situation. If I don't get good sleep, I'm wrecked the next day. And they're gorgeous. They're stunning. But not only do they look great, I went for the crisp white. These are the Luxe Sateen. They have 480 thread count and they have a little bit of a luminous sheen, which I like. It adds a touch of elegance, not being over the top though. The great thing about Brooklinen is you can mix and match the sheet set. So if you wanted to do a patterned fitted sheet and a solid color duvet cover, and then bundle it up, I always do my research before looking for core staple pieces for my home. Quality bed sheets are worth every penny. We spend a third of our lives in bed. I have learned my lesson the hard way many times, the difference between buying something and investing in something. And what I love about these sheets is that they get softer every time you wash them. So I definitely wanted sheets that were gonna last me years and years and years and that I can count on to get better over time. I'm all about the self-care, and making my home beautiful is such an act of self-care. If you wanna get better sleep, get better sheets, Brooklinen is the way. Brooklinen is offering you guys a special discount. They're gonna give you $20 off any order over $100. Just click the link below, it's in my description box, and use code the Carla Project and you're good to go. Thank you so much, Brooklinen.
And now Ellie is my home. But obviously I do miss Scotland a lot. I think that when I was like, I'm not sure how this is gonna go.
Bringing the salad to a picnic, but I want to chop up some of the veggies, put it in this nice, lovely salad bowl. Presentation, you know, better than bringing it in a plastic container. Lovely. I'm gonna wrap it with Saran wrap and bring the dressing on the side. Go, get over there. Yeah, get over there. Go ahead. Good boy. Ready to attack. Yeah. End of an era. My sofa is getting picked up today. Someone bought it. It's the coziest, comfiest sofa I've ever had, but it is going goodbye. Checking the couch cushions to make sure I don't leave $100 bills. goodbye to the sofa. What are memories on this sofa? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Oh, yeah. Sofa's going by. Going goodbye, baby.
Park around.
Oh, okay, so once we move it downstairs, you can either just double park.
But I can hang out here with it. You can bring it around.
Yeah. I think once it's downstairs, yeah. I'm gonna have the rug cleaned. It's ruggable, so it can be washed, and it's definitely ready to be washed. Half of the sofa moved out. Moving the second half now. Feels good to clear the living room, especially from this big piece of furniture. I'm gonna vacuum it first. Love to have the floors refinished. They have this peeling going on all throughout. They're just very old and scuffed, but it would look great if they could be refinished. I just don't know, are these real hardwood floors? Probably not if they're peeling, right? Rug has been lifted. That's the giant rug pad that goes underneath it. Lifted that as well. I'm gonna sweep the floor. In a perfect world, if I owned this, I would completely empty the room, take down the drapes, have the floors refinished. Oh my gosh, I'm getting dirty. Walls painted, take out this ghastly wall unit heater that doesn't work. Doing all of that in here, it would really elevate the space. But that's not an option. For now, I'm just going to slide in the new sofa that I have and my old coffee table. So at least I have something to sit on this week. This is my declutter corner. These items are listed for sale. Someone's picking this up this week. This table I just listed for sale. The pillows I'll probably just donate. I think I'm gonna keep that pillow. This is my old camera, listed this now. Ring light, I just need to find this piece. I never use that ring light. Electric guitar is listed. I already sold my keytar. Another set of lights that I never use. This glass table, I've had this for a decade. I don't want that anymore. I don't want any more of this like open shelving. I want to get a solid console table for the TV, but all of this whole nook and that old lamp, I'll probably donate this once I get another lamp in here. So these are things I'm going to be saying goodbye to over the course of the next month, hopefully. I made $650 selling my sofa. I made $100 selling my chartreuse console table that used to be in here. I made $150 selling my old standing desk. I made $400 selling my old keytar. So it's been a pretty good chunk of change just selling off these larger items that I don't use anymore. You gotta hold the vision, but you can see it's gonna look so nice. Got the cactus, the curtains, the rust colored sofa, noise.